So what is a HELOC?
So a HELOC is a home equity line of credit.
Which means...
It's a second mortgage that gives you access to cash based on the value of your home.
Okay, well, how can I apply for HELOC with We Florida Financial?
You can easily apply on our website, which is wefloridafinancial.com, or at any of our financial center locations. You can even apply right from your phone.
So when can I draw money from the HELOC?
You can draw from a HELOC and repay some or all of it monthly, kind of like a credit card.
So how does this work?
Basically, you borrow against your home's equity, which is the value of your home minus the amount you owe on your primary mortgage. You can also get one if you own your home outright, in which case the HELOC would be a primary mortgage rather than a second one.
What are some things I can use this HELOC for?
You can use the HELOC for different home improvements, such as updating your kitchen, upgrading your bathroom, or even putting a pool in your backyard. Because it can be a risk if you end up not being able to pay back your loan, a HELOC is best reserved to use for things such as home improvements and renovations that will help you build wealth.
So that's it?
That's it! You can easily apply for your own HELOC and start building your home's wealth today.